Today we're going to talk about how to weight your categories and how to add an assignment. So here I am in my gradebook. The first thing I'm going to need to do is go up to the options button. And here you got some choices. You can edit the roster, you can message all your students, and you got grade settings. So go ahead and click that. Now this is a demo account, so these percentages that you see here are not reflective of what you will see in your gradebook. And here in the middle, we've got our assignment category. So make sure that is got a yes, and go ahead and start typing them in. Yeah, I'll change that to classwork. 25, homework 25, quizzes 30, and tests. Now, I'm going to make this so it doesn't add up to 100%. Your percentages must equal 100%. So when I click Save Settings, it's going to give me an error message. So, okay, I'm going to click Cancel here and come back up here and fix them up. So I'll make the 20, 20, and then I'll make that 40. There we are. That's 100%. Now down here in your options, you can change how assignments are sorted, students are sorted, rounding, and percentages. I'll click Save Settings. I like that stuff the way it is. Okay, now it takes me back to the gradebook. Now I'm ready to add my first assignment. Now you can add your assignment in two ways. You can click this button that says New Assignment, or you can come on the gradebook itself and click on New Assignment. Either way, it takes you to the same place. So you got some very basic features here. You can add the assignment name. I think I'm going to call this quiz, pop quiz. There we go. And number 1. Possible points. You give it a due date and you change the category if you need to. You can even have not graded or uncategorized if you're unsure. And then you can click Save Assignment if you're happy there, but they do have some more options where you can select your standards that you want to use, give it a detailed description, or attach certain files. You can also copy it from one class to another, and you can add it as a discussion, which we'll talk about later, and you can add this site to class turn-in so students can submit digitally directly to the gradebook. And even below that, you see all your students' name, and you can even give them a grade right then and there if you want to. But I don't want to. I'm just going to click Save Assignment and go back to the gradebook. Okay, so I've added a bunch of grades. And as you find, when you add grades, you simply just type in the number and hit the Enter key or the Down key. Now, what if a student is missing an assignment? Well, engrade would like you to use the code M for missing assignments. It will count as a 0%, but you'll see why here in a second. For excused assignments, just the letter E. And, whoa, wait a minute, that's too much. Let's make it 10. Yep. And there you go. You can also add a comment directly to the assignment by adding it right after the score. Just type in the number and then a space and then your comment. So let's talk about this M, this missing assignment. Why use an M? Well, we're going to go back to our home screen here. And down here it says your new class. It tells us this very last number tells us how many missing assignments we have in that class. And if you don't use the letter M, you won't see that. So there you go. Thanks for watching.